Hi there. I wanted to go ahead and show you how you use the dosage charts. And I'm going to go through kind of the first one. And here, shock levels. See this? This 10 part per million? Huge. 10 parts per million is the first level of shock. If you can't see your deep end down to the bottom, then you're automatically at a 30 parts. So basically, how many parts you want to, increase based on what product you're using. Liquid chlorine, 12.5% is right here. The white powdered shock is the Cal Hypo. This is 67%. We only sell 73% in the store. Highest you can buy, strongest I mean. But this is a general guideline based on 10,000 gallons. So this is really what you're trying to do is basically find the gallons. Here's your 10. If you want to increase by 30, you're going to multiply. So if you had a 20,000 gallon pool, of course, you're going to have to put twice the amount to get to 20, 3 times the amount to get to 30 parts per million. So this is a general overview chart. Goes over alkalinity, etc. A quick at a glance look. Now, and also if you do subscribe to our pool tools, right here, if you don't, please do, and you'll get access to the video training library, which goes over each one of these products and tells you why. Why are you concerned about your hardness? Why, the alkalinity? Well, number one, both those things, if they're low, they're eating your whole pool investment over time, over the months, especially when it's cold. It's eating your surface, it's eating all the plastic, it's eating inside of the pump, it's eating your cartridges, everything. It's important. And it's messing up how your chlorine works. And I get into that with each topic, each one of these in a video. So here's an overview of how much shock to add to your pool just to increase it. Here's a quick at a glance. Hey, I need this at 30 parts per million. I have a 20,000 gallon pool. I'm going to put 7.2 pounds of Cal Hypo. This is the shock powder. And here is the liquid chlorine. So if you want to increase it by 10, right here's your chart based on how many gallons. Here's how many ounces. This is a great chart to use every Wednesday. You go out, you check your chlorine, whether you use strips or a drop. If you're at 2.0, then you need to increase it by 1 on Wednesday, your free chlorine, so it can ride out through Sunday. So if you had a 20,000 gallon pool, you'd put 20 ounces of our Chlor Bihasa. Pardon the cars going by outside. And then we go with each one of these, decreasing total alkalinity using muriatic acid based on, again, how many gallons you have when you read your strip or your drops. And, you see that, oh, I need to decrease it. Now, you have to know that 80, you look at your drops or your strips, and it will tell you what the good range is. And now here's your parts per million that you want to decrease. Now, I just know that alkalinity, that's the first thing you check. It usually is okay, but as soon as it starts going bad, you want to bump that up in the middle. Alkalinity should be between 80 and 120 parts per million. So if you read, and I'll stop right here because this applies to each one of these things. So if you read on your test strip or on your drops, your chart, and you see that you're sitting at 100 and, let's say 140, well, you can decrease it by 20 parts per million and get back to 120, but you're at the top end. Go ahead and aim for the middle. So you want your alkalinity always sitting at 100 when you're done adjusting it, either up or down. So let's go back to the original reading, which was, let's say you tested and it's at 140. Well, let's drop it first by 20. That'll get us down to 120. But let's go another 20 to get us to 100. So now we're sitting at 40. If we had a 20,000 gallon pool, we would have to put 1.6 gallons of muriatic acid in our pool to accomplish what we need to accomplish. Ladies and gentlemen, this works the same way with raising it, increasing it, decreasing pH, soda ash. I go all the way. Stabilizer. This is a once every 6-month test. Please check this, and again, the video on this will really enlighten you to why you need this. If you're not signed up to the pool tools, go ahead and do that. You can do it at the side or just right here. Put your name and email, boom, you'll get access to the videos. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it. Hope to see you in the store soon. Bye-bye.